Today I'm making a pre-made coconut sugar syrup for Thai salad, such as green papaya salad or glass noodle salad. It's also known as Nam Tan Kieo. For a sweetener for drinks, check out my other recipe with the ingredients. The recipe makes about 650 ml of coconut sugar syrup. The ingredients needed are 1 kg of coconut paste sugar, 250 ml of water, 5 tablespoons of concentrated tamarind water, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, and half teaspoon of salt as preservative. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Wash and cut open the paste sugar packaging and put all the coconut paste sugar into the pan. Then add all the salt, fish sauce, concentrated tamarind water for sourness, and all the water. Put the pan on the stove. Switch on the heat to medium. Gently and slowly stir the paste sugar as it heats up. Continuously stir until it is fully dissolved. This will take about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the coconut sugar has mostly dissolved. Quicken the stirring to dissolve any lumps. Continue to cook for 8 more minutes or until the mixture comes to a rolling boil. Make sure to keep stirring if the mixture is not smooth. By the 4th minute, the mixture is very smooth. The mixture will have a layer of tiny white bubbles on the surface. This is normal. Continue simmering for another 2 minutes or until it comes to a rolling boil. Stir it occasionally to evenly distribute the heat. Alright, after 2 minutes, the syrup has come to a rolling boil. Stir it evenly and let it boil for 4 more minutes or until it has turned to a darker brown color. After 4 minutes, the syrup has caramelized slightly. It is now fragrant with the blend of fish sauce, tamarind water, and coconut paste sugar. It is done. Switch off the heat. Strain the syrup into the heat-proof bowl to remove any bubbles or impurities. Set it aside to cool before storing. Once cool, it has thickened significantly. This coconut sugar syrup is not meant for drinks, only as a sweetener for Thai salad, such as som tam, yam bun sen, or other Thai salad. It can last for up to 2 to 3 weeks at room temperature in an airtight container, and in the fridge for 4 to 6 months. If kept frozen, it can last for up to a year. Make sure to thaw overnight in the fridge before using. Stay tuned for my upcoming recipe using this pre-made coconut sugar syrup or Nam Tan Kieo. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somthit. Thank you and bye-bye!